Welcome to the City of Dreams, where lights never dim, Hollywood. For the first time, this show is dedicated to these magicians of glamour. Welcome to MUA Glam Wars, brought to you by Kimi Verma and a non-profit organization, India Global USA.
Believe it or not, I am not good at makeup. I don't have a lot of sense of makeup. If you've noticed, I have done the same makeup from years and years and years. Now I don't want to say how many years, but it's the same kind of makeup. But so I don't have that much knowledge, and I love to achieve as much knowledge as possible. And this makeup event, it was really kind of a little mini course for me too. And the best thing that I loved, and which I'm happy that I believed in it from the beginning, I asked the makeup artist, so what's the first step you take for doing great makeup? So the first thing was, everybody said it is skin prep. You know what skin prep is? You should know. Yes, if you do makeup, you should know what skin prep is. So it's like, like make sure your face is clean, scrubbed, looking beautiful, putting, there's a serum on it, there's a nice moisturizer on it. Skin should not be dry. So just make a note, write it down. Skin should not be dry if you want to look flawless with makeup. So this is the only thing that I think I knew. Rest everything I learned over here at the MUA Glam Wars. I swear, I'm not ashamed to say I did learn a few tricks. I'll share it with you.
The contestants were given one major hint though. Can you guess what it is? I'll tell you. It was that the looks were not going to be Indian bridal, because we know that bridal looks take way too much time and we don't want to go so hard on them. For all the ladies knew, this could have been an SFX looks, this could have been anything at all. It could have been bright colors, neutrals, pastels. They didn't know, they just had to come prepared. Are you ready to know what the first look was? The first look was a springtime fashion show.
I'm super excited and thrilled to be here today, and I can't wait to meet everybody who's a part of contest. Thank you so much, Kimi, for organizing this for all the makeup artists and giving us the opportunity to be recognized. Thank you so much.
I think it's important to have a platform, not even just with makeup, but just as a woman, to show our power and something that we're passionate about, to bring that out and showcase it.
Everyone has like beauty, but this is specially, they want to enhance their special beauty on. That's why we are just helping them to get their makeup on.
Being South Asian now, I feel like we're slowly getting more into the creative spaces here, and I really want to be able to be a name for myself in it and kind of inspire other people too to just, if you have a dream, just try it. I feel like the universe conspires for you if you really want it that much.
They had to do their models' makeup as if they were going to be walking in a springtime fashion show. When it came time to announce the first look, I know I was so excited. I was locked in on each of their faces to see their reaction.
This is your opportunity to show the world what you've got.
Because they had no idea that the first look was going to be a daytime spring fashion show. That's right, they had to doll up their models as if they were on the runway during a spring daytime fashion show. When I say daytime spring fashion show, I'm not just talking about a little bit of glam on the eye, a little color on the lips. No, it's a full look, hair and makeup, and timed. They had no idea how much time that they were gonna have. They didn't know if it was gonna be 5 minutes or 50 minutes. But you know what? We're nice. So we gave them 90 minutes. That's right, 90 minutes to complete a hair look and a makeup look, with the makeup as the main focus.
Okay, so on the day of the competition, in the hall where the competition was held, there were tables, big tables given to all these makeup artists, and in no time they were filled with makeup stuff. I had not seen this much makeup in my life, besides, of course, at a makeup store, like but I was like, oh my God. So this is like very, I would say, I felt like I don't know, it felt like a candy store, like a makeup candy store. I'm like, oh my God. And then the thing that I had never done, and I still don't do it, which I should start doing, is they put a little tape over here. Right. They put a little tape over here. I was like, what is this tape for? And I had never even seen any video showing that the tape goes and then this is done, that is done. I had no idea what it is. So then I saw all of them with the tape on. I'm like, oh my God, that is a professional way of doing makeup. But now I'm gonna start doing that too. Well, I will. But they had done everything very professionally. Just watch it.
All women, they need that kind of platform so they can show their skills. They can improve their self better, so that way other people know how to. They can enhance their beauty. I am very, very excited. Woohoo!
I'm super excited, especially to work with the model and all. And then I have done shows, but this is quite very interesting. I'm really looking forward to.
Everybody is beautiful in their own way, and we should celebrate that, and we should have some platform where they can express. And
It's very important to get my work exposure here today, and it's a great opportunity for me.
I can't even imagine how difficult it must be for the judges to pick the winner. Everybody did amazing job. I loved everybody's makeup, and it was just surreal. I couldn't believe it that these faces were changed from when the models arrived to the first look, then the second look, and watching the whole nervousness, watching the whole excitement going on. And again, the final, everybody looked so pretty and everybody's work was so good. And yeah, the judges, hats off to them. They are the only ones who could pick all this. For me, all of them looked so good. They're all winners.